Now fill in your caption and click OK. So the next thing we're going to do is to click the back button in the top left corner of your screen twice. So 1, 2, and as you can see here, there will be two options, discard and save draft. If you press save draft, your post will be saved as a draft so you can post it later on your Instagram profile. And as you can see, we have the drafts option over here, and here is our post. Congratulations! You've just learned on how you can find your Instagram drafts. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!